Hey everybody, you're on the Geekbox YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to cast to Samsung TV from Android. Let's go. Open Settings. All settings. General. Network. Expert settings. Turn on. Network status. Your TV and your Android must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. Open Miracast. Select your Samsung TV. Down. That's it. Now you know how to cast to Samsung TV from Android. If I've helped you, please like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck and see you soon.